Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing great, and for those of you who are going through challenging situations, just know that the Lord Almighty is in control and all things are working together for your good. So today we're going to be making this delicious minced stew with the ingredients you probably have in your kitchen, like tomatoes, onions and salt. All the ingredients we'll be using today are going to be listed in the description section of this video. The first thing we'll do is to heat up our oil. After the oil is hot enough, then we will carefully place our meat in the pot. So after we fry our meat for 2 to 3 minutes, we'll then go ahead and add in some salt, minced garlic and ginger. After 1 to 2 minutes of stirring our mixture, we will then add in a teaspoon of paprika. The next ingredients we'll be adding are onions and tomatoes. Then we will let the mixture cook for 3 minutes and move on to the next step. After 3 minutes of cooking our meat, we'll go ahead and add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give it a stir for 30 seconds and add in 3 cups of water. Let the mixture cook for 45 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes of cooking your meat, you can test for salt. If it's not enough, you can add a little bit more. And don't forget to add in your curry powder, which is optional, but it enhances the taste. At this point, we'll let the mixture cook for 30 minutes, but we'll keep on checking the water level and stirring to prevent the meat from burning. Our meat is ready to serve. As you can see, I prepared fufu on the side, but this meat stew can go with rice, spaghetti, chapati, or any other type of bread. Thank you so much for sticking with us up to this moment. Please do not forget to subscribe.